LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current flows through it. This Pulsevo LED kit has 300 diffused lenses LED PCs and each of the sizes is 3 mm. This Pulsevo LED kit includes 5 different colors: red, green, yellow, blue, and white. With this Pulsevo LED kit, additionally, you will get 250 PCs of resistor, with the most commonly used resistor values 10 ohm to 1 Mega Oham. This Pulsevo kit comes with a durable plastic storage box to help you always keep the product organized and transport the product anywhere. The Pulsevo kit can be used widely in electronic products, household appliances, and industrial appliances. Pulsevo Diffused Lens LED Assortment Kit is the perfect choice to make DIY projects.